Hello everyone, let's make a beautiful artwork using green leaves. Put all of the leaves together like this. Now cut the excess part. Now we are going to make the mountains. Look how easy this technique is. Paste all of them together and look, it's ready. Let's make a beautiful scenery using crayons. We are making the grass using green crayon. Now make the canopy of the tree using colorful crayons. Draw its trunk and we are also drawing birds, and look here, beautiful scenery is ready. Take a small piece of pink clay and press it on the sheet of paper. Now give it shape using a toothpick. We are making rose flower here. It's done. We are using green crayon here and make the leaves, and your artwork is ready. Spread this yellow color on the sheet of paper using brush. Now paste the tree trunk and cut the mask, and we are going to color it yellow. Make small pieces. Now we are going to dab all of them on this yellow clay using a toothpick, and look, your beautiful tree is ready. We are going to make a beautiful drawing, so trace lines around hand, give it shape. Now we are making bunch of flowers using crayon. Let's make it. So we are making the leaves using green sketch pen, and look, your beautiful drawing is ready. Take a mask, cut it. If you don't have mask, you can also use a tissue paper. We are going to dab it inside these blue clay balls, and look, your flower is ready. You can make more flowers using different clays.